Check, check. Make sure everybody can hear me here. Check, check. Okay, so this is a rebroadcast of the video that I just did because apparently the audio was not working. Um, close this, close this, and get my cam up. Why is the webcam not showing? Okay, there we go. Okay, so welcome. This is just a video I wanted to do of the review of the most recent strategy that I implemented because, well, I made a lot of changes to the application lately. One is removing any subscription costs so you guys can just try it out however you want. And I'll foot the bill for the server usage um, to start with. And then, over time we might re-implement a subscription cost at a later date or something. But so the new strategy is, remember when I was telling you that the thing I wanted to avoid was getting cash that was tied up in positions that had a tendency to change overnight and then it just continued to drop instead of recovering like we were expecting. Um, so what I did was I implemented two things. I did a negative 0.5% cash or closeout for a position, and I also did a 1% profit stop loss initiation. So initiates the stop loss at 1% if the profit point hits 1% for a position, and then it just trails as the profit price increases, or if the price drops below that stop loss, then it sells out. So I did this today, and yes, it's only been one day, and I'm really interested to see what's going to happen on Monday um, on a fresh market, as well as how it will work next week. So just take this with a grain of salt. This is just testing out this strategy. I'm doing it on a paper account to make sure that it works before it's 100% implemented. So today we ended up at market close with a profit of $70.85. $70.83 after the cost to Alpaca for trading for the TAF and the reg fees, um, which brought us up to a projected ROI on January 1st of 2024 of $8.73%, which is projected to be $2,621.43. But we did get a 0.23% ROI today as realized profit. Looking at all of our open positions, you'll see that there are none. You'll also see that we did have 48 transactions that were purchased today, and every single one of those positions has been closed out. That is because I want to close out the positions at the end of the day to free up that cash to be able to be used for new positions the following day or the following week. And it worked out really well today. So we'll see how it works next week. But uh, as you can see, there were a couple positions that did close out past our negative 0.5% loss point, but it's not too much. I mean, it's just it's 1.1%, which is really just a one-to-one risk reward on those. But I think there was like 12 of these positions that closed out, that got stopped out at the negative profit point, and but that is not even half of the total positions that were purchased, which left us with a profit of $70.85. The Looking at the charts, you could see that all the positions were purchased around 11:25, 11:30 really, and then as the day went on, they closed out, and then finally at the end of the day, like I said, around 3:45 EST, all the positions were closed. Um, so yeah, I mean this strategy worked really well today. So like I said, I'm really interested to see how it's going to work next week. But our end of day balances, we bought $25,555 worth of stocks today, and the profit was $70.85 with a total ROI, today's ROI of 0.2772%, which is an average daily of 0.2772%, because we've only been doing it for one day. But yeah, so I just wanted to let you guys know that that's something that I'm testing out, and we'll see how it works. So if you like this video, hit that like button and the subscribe button, and you'll be notified when new videos are created. And until next week, have a great weekend and happy trading.